need to understand a function f of x. F of x is a function which is nothing but an equation which depends on x. Okay, f of x is equal to 3x square, or sometimes they write y is equal to 3x square. First of all, you need to understand this, and this is almost the same. It's there, not almost, they're the same. Y is equal to x square. Y is equal to 3x square. Now, there is a link between x and y. Can you feel it? And much more information is there regarding functions, which I can't give it to you. But basically, you need to know a function is like a dabba. Okay. This function will have something input and something output. Okay. That means you give the input is x. You give output, what is that? You will get y value. Okay. Right. Something like if you give time, the function will give you velocity. Something like that it will be. Okay. So this detailed discussion about functions, I think it is completed. Anyone is there who say, you know functions or not? Is it there in 10th class? Functions.
Sir, it's not there in 10th class.
10th class, it's not there. It's okay. Or something like this. Y is equal to 3x square. In this, I think you might have done this graphs or tables. When x value is 1, y value is 3. When x value is 2, y value is 12. When x value is 0, y value 0. X value minus 1, y value 3. X value minus 2, y value 12. So it will give you a link between two different things, isn't it? When x is equal to 12, what is the value? X is equal to what is the value? Do you understand? Function is a thing I'm explaining in a very rude way. Rude, that like, very primitive, I can say. But take it, there's a relation like that. And now concentrate. When x value change, y value also will change. Obviously, the change is sometimes important. Instead of value, if x changes by 2 units, how much y will change? So instead of x value and y value, sometimes the change becomes very important. So we need to understand about change in the relation, or the relation word, I'll use the word function. There are multiple rules in case of mathematics, one-to-one function, one-to-many, like that many are there. Just ignore all those things. I don't want to discuss, but simply, can you understand it is a relation between x and y? Clear? Y also can be taken as it's a function of x. Y depends on x. Sir, don't you think x depends on y? No. Y depends only on x. Something like velocity is equal to displacement by time. Now try to understand. Velocity depends on time. No. Let us take a car. If you think in detail, you'll understand. S is equal to Vt, right or wrong? Displacement depends on velocity. Displacement depends on time. Observe carefully. Velocity depends on the driver, how fast he is driving, isn't it? Velocity depends on driver. And time depends on nothing. Time is independent. Depending on time and velocity, displacement will be decided. So here displacement is dependent quantity. Velocity time is not. Okay. I think 10th class you studied V is equal to IR. You feel, sir, if I is doubled, what will happen to voltage? Or else leave it. If resistance is doubled, what happened to voltage? Sir, will voltage also double? No, I don't think so. Observe there is a resistance like this. Okay. Then it is being connected to a battery. Once you connect it like this, suppose if I double the resistance, why battery will change its voltage? So you need to understand dependency. Something depends on something. Vice versa may not be true. Similarly here, y depends on x here. Just remember that, the relation. Now what we do is we take a process called as differentiation. So the way that we write is d by dx of the function f of x. You can take 3x square. Remember, function is not always 3x square. It can be 4x, 5x cube, or sin x, cos x. It can be anything. 3x square is a simple example. Remember, we will write like this: d by dx of f of x. We write like that. This is the change of y with respect to x. Change of y with respect to x. We call this as change in y, or we can call it as f of x. In change in y in f of x with respect to x. Clear? That's the first thing you need to. Don't worry. Mathematics is relatively very, very, very easy. Okay. Right. So we start with it. D by dx of x power n. We start directly with it. Okay. X power n. Then write down n into x power n plus 1. The second formula, d by dx of, I think, a constant is equal to 0, because constant will never change. D by dx of sin x is equal to cos x. D by dx of cos x is equal to sin x. Okay. Okay. This is sufficient for me. Listen to this. Sir, only 4 formulas are there. Kana? Too many are there. I do remember when I'm in +2, because state board student, na, I mugged up around 21 formulas in differentiation, and same number around 2022 in integration. I mugged up that many. I do remember that. Right. Sir, then why you are not giving the 22? My statement is like this. It's not the number of formulas. It's the way that you apply is very important for me. Even if I teach only 4 formulas, if I can teach you how to apply in physics, my job is done, because all 21 formulas, school teacher will teach. Don't worry about that. That school, CBSE teacher will teach. Okay. And it takes some time for them to come to this point, and they take too detailed, too slow, which is beyond requirement for me. Okay. Right. Clear. We start. Now concentrate here.
Sir, one doubt, sir. Shouldn't it be nx power n minus 1?
Absolutely correct. Good.
Sir, I have a doubt, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
Shouldn't it be minus sin x in the last one?
Absolutely correct. Very good. That means you know all these things, right? You know all these things, right? Those who already know, don't waste your time. If you feel like, sir, I don't need it, then you can leave. That's my point. Apart from these two, we need to learn 2 things. D by dx of 2 functions, u plus v. Sir, why you are using u and v? Kind of what to do? We can use f of x, g of x. Irritating. U and v is better. What is u? U is equal to, assume, 3x square. Directly I'll take, why should we take 3x square? 5x cube, you take it. Plus v, 3x. Then this is u and v. It may not be positive, it can be negative also, no problem. Okay. Then what to do? Right. So we know that in distributive property, right? Same thing you do. D by dx of u plus d by dx of v. Inge minus irunda, minus. All that, nothing else. Nothing else. Next thing. D by dx of u into v. Sir, u into v means what? Assume that there is a function like x square multiplied with sin x. X square is 1, sin x is 1. What to do? Very, very simple. In this case, what to do is that concentrate. First of all, keep u as constant. U. Differentiate v. Plus keep v constant. Now, what I do is that I'll teach only these formulas. Actually, you can add few more, like tan function also can add, ln also can add 1. But my recommendation is I don't need more than this. Clear? Whenever any function comes beyond this list, that means hardly 4 plus 2, 6 are there. Anything comes beyond this, you can check it in internet. If you want differentiation of maybe something like is given like tan x. In my questions, you got tan x. D by dx of tan x. How to do it? You don't know, na? Internet la nariya websites are there nowadays. Chatbots also there. They can make it. It's not a big deal for them. Okay. So your target is not about learning as many formulas as possible for differentiation. No. We learn the basic method of differentiation with only 6 formulas. And we learn here a little bit of mathematics there. Then we apply in which place? Tell me. We apply in physics. So our target is how to apply this into physics. So basics are quickly we'll complete. We'll complete it very quickly. 1 minute. I will give you the worksheet. Okay. What I did is that I gave 2 more formulas, 3 more formulas extra. Okay. List of formulas are there. So 1 minute, if I can give the key also good, na? That's good. I think I can give the key. Key is better for you. Just a minute. Just a minute. I'll make settle. I might have stopped pause recording, right? Yeah. Now we start our problems. Question number 1, easy. Very easy. Right. Now, if at all I take a function y is equal to 4, dy by dx is equal to d by dx of 4. I need to find dy by dx. Now I replaced y with 4. 4 is a constant. Differentiation of constant is 0. Easy. Question number 2. The function is y is equal to what? Tell me. X square. Now I need to calculate dy by dx. That is equal to, sir, what is the physical meaning of it? Change in y with respect to x. Okay, dy by dx is equal to d by dx of what? Tell me. X square. So n into x power n minus 1. Now I'm writing like this. Next time onwards, I won't do like this. 2x. Simple. I'll write like this. 2x. That's it. So we do this step directly. N minus 1 is 2 minus 1 is 1. Na? That's it. Okay. Question number 3. Y is equal to 3x cubed. Okay. Now, dy by dx, that is equal to d by dx of 3x cubed. Sir, I know how to handle x power something. When it is multiplied by 3, what to do? Okay, now observe, we can take it as this one, 2 parts. What I'll do is that I'll write this as, remember, this is u, this is v, I'll take u and v. So if I continue with that way, I have to keep 3 as constant, d by dx of x cube, and I'll take it out, okay? Plus, now what I did, I kept 3 as a constant, I took it out, and I'm differentiating this one x. Next time what to do, tell me. Take x, take 3 as constant out, okay, done. Then take x cube as constant, differentiate the other one. Differentiate, keep u as constant, differentiate with v. Keep v as constant, differentiate u. Right? Same logic here. Now x cube into d by dx of 3. Okay. So now what the next step? Tell me. Anyone? 3 will stay as it is. D by dx of x cube. Quickly you can give answer. 3x square, right? Plus x cube into d by dx of 3 is 0. D by dx of 3 is 0. Okay. That is equal to 9x square, this is 0. Simply, although it is not required, every time you can do it by using UV method. But what they recommend is that these kind of a constant multiplied with a function is many times it will come. So they say logic is very simple. Whenever constant is there, multiplied with a function, remember, only constant will be 0. Constant with a function, simply take constant out. Means, if at all constant multiplied with a function, then simply take constant out, differentiate the function. If you follow that rule, 3 into x cube will be 3x square. That is equal to 9x. That's it. You can do that way also. Right. So develop some shortcuts, some speed you need to develop. Okay. Right. Question number 4. I'll give you the key. Don't send any message to me. I'll give you the key. Don't send any message to me. You can check it. Once you feel comfortable, you can. Then y is equal to 1 by x. The idea is like this. dy by dx is equal to d by dx of 1 by x. Okay. 1 by x can be written as what? Tell me. D by dx of x power minus 1. Now, simple formula. That is equal to n into x power n minus 1. That is equal to minus x power minus 2. Right? That is equal to 1 by x squared. 1 by x differentiation is 1 by x squared, but I missed minus sign. Clear? Good. 5. Y is equal to root x. D by dx. When we need to find dy by dx. So d by dx of root x. That is equal to d by dx. X power square root means 1 by 2. That is equal to n into x power n minus 1. That is equal to x power 1 by 2 minus 1 will be minus 1 by 2. That is equal to 1 by 2 into x power 1 by 2, because minus sign is there, na? That's why. The last one is 1 by 2 into root x. That's the answer. Right. So I'll tell you one more thing. For me to teach something in physics, which is based on differentiation, I need this, that's enough. That one is enough. And I can directly go, but few more I added. If you are interested in the worksheet also, I gave around 2 more extra I gave, 2, 3 extra I gave. If you're interested, take it. Otherwise, just leave it. Okay. Right. So now I'll give you the key. Keep solving. Question number 6. Y is equal to 5 root x, not 5th root of x, 5 root x. Dy by dx is equal to d by dx of 5 root x. That is equal to 5 into d by dx of root x. So I know many students who remember the answer for this one. 1 by 2 root x. Root x is 1 by 2 root x. Okay, sir. Yeah, it's already done here. Check it. The process is being done here. Okay, right. 7th one. 7th one is y is equal to cube root of x. Dy by dx is equal to d by dx of cube root of x. That is equal to d by dx of x power minus 1 by 3. No. Minus 1 denominator in the yeah. 1 by 3. That is equal to n into x power n minus 1. 1 by 3 into x power minus 2 by 3. Yeah, you can stop it here. You can write in detail. 3 into x power 2 by 3. 3 into x power 2 by 3. Or you can write cube root of x square, whatever. Yeah. 8th one.
Sir, in 6th one, shouldn't it be 5 by 2 root x?
Yeah, I don't know why I brought 2 here. Oh, this 2 is there. You're right. A 5 in numerator. I missed out. Thanks, because I don't have the key, na? I will type this as key. Those who want key, don't worry. You keep solving, solve until the end. Okay. Anything that you don't know, something like, sir, tan x, I don't know. Tan x function is given in the list. Directly take the result from there. No, sir, leave it. Sir, e power x, I don't know. Leave it. Whatever you can do, do it. Otherwise, just leave. Okay. And sir, anything else I need to actually cannot 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. I think, yes. Up to that one, you need to go for a concept called as chain rule. No. Entire until the 30. You have to go through a concept of chain rule. If you know that, good. Otherwise, you have to wait for some time. Right? You do some other thing, use your time in a best possible way. Okay. Question number 8. Y is equal to root of x power 5. I need dy by dx. Dy by dx is equal to d by dx of x power 5 by 2 I can take. That is equal to, that step I took. No problem. X power 5 by 2. N into x power 5 by 2 minus 1. What is the value? 3 by 2, right? 5 into x power 3 by 2 by 2. Clear? Right. 3 by 2 n into x power n minus 1. Correct. Ninth one. Y is equal to 3 into cube root of x square. I'll write direct step. Dy by dx is equal to d by dx of 3 into x power 2 by 3. That is equal to 3 into dx by dt. I'll keep the bracket there. N into x power 2 by 3 minus 1. N into x power n minus 1, I did nothing else. That is equal to, 3 gets cancelled, right? 3 gets cancelled. 2 into x power minus 1 by 3. Oh, then we need to write like this. 2 by cube root of 3. Right? Because of negative sign, it going to denominator. 1 by 3 cube root. Fine. 10th one. Y is equal to 1 by root x. Right? That is separate. Dy by dx is equal to d by dx of x power minus 1 by 2. No need to explain, but just numerator denominator minus sign. 1 by 2 can be written as, square root can be written as power 1 by 2.
Excuse me, sir.
Yep.
In ninth one, shouldn't be cube root of x, the denominator?
I don't know why I wrote 3. X, correct. Unforced errors.
Sir, 3 cube root, no sir, it's right.
Correct. Cube root of x, correct. My n into x power n minus 1. That is equal to minus 1 by 2 into x power minus 3 by 2 is equal to, you can stop it here. Minus 1 by 2 into x power 3 by 2 you can write, or you can write 1 by 2 into square root of x cube, you can write. Okay, so whatever way you want, you can write. Just check it. Is it right? I don't have the key also, probably. This will be the key. I'm confident because at least 3-4 members will be there who already done it. You just cross-check your answer with my answer, and wherever your answer gone wrong, just remember it may be my answer also. Okay, I'm also doing first time. Not first time, I'm also doing it for that. So there may be error from my side also. Remember that. Yeah. Next. Too many, right? I have to reach up to 20. Yeah. Long way to go. Question number 11. I don't have that much patience, but still I need to do. Y is equal to 1 by cube root of x. Dy by dx is equal to d by dx of x power minus 1 by 3. Differentiation is n into x power n minus 1. That is equal to minus 1 by 3 into x power minus 4 by 3. Good. That's it. You can stop it here, or minus 1 by 3 into cube root of x power 4. That's the answer. Right. 12. Good. y is equal to 3 into e power x. Sir, and e power x theriyadu. If you scroll a little bit up, there is a function that d by dx of e power x. Easiest thing to deal with e power x. D by dx of e power x is e power x. That's it. Easy. Easiest formula to remember. So take that way, then one more formula is being added. Dy by dx is equal to d by dx of 3 into e power x. A constant simply comes out when it is multiplied with a function. Constant alone, if you differentiate, it becomes 0. 3 into e power x is again e power x. Answer. Okay. Now 13. Now trigonometric functions we are getting. Y is equal to sin x. Good. Dy by dx of y. So dy by dx is what? D by dx of sin x. That must be equal to what, tell me? Cos x. It's a formula actually. Okay. Now y is equal to 5 sin x. After enough practice, I start dropping some details here. Dy by dx of 5 sin x. Next time onwards, I write like d by dx of 5 sin x. I won't write. You know very well you can take 5 out directly, right? Constant multiplied with a function, you can take the constant out. So I directly take it out. Then differentiation of sin x, you know very well. What is the value? Cos x. You can write this step directly. You don't need this much in detail. Any place if you feel discomfort or not able to understand, immediately ask me. Question number 15. X square sin x. Yeah. Y is equal to x square multiplied with sin x. Now we are using a different formula. Dy by dx is equal to d by dx of x square multiplied sin x. Anyone is there who can tell me what formula you use here? UV formula, U plus V formula. Check it. Explain U plus V. Oh, U into V. U into V formula. Because product na plus cell. Oh, up to now plus based on questions only. Yeah. It will come at 18, no problem. So d by dx of this one will be, first of all, keep x square constant. D by dx of sin x. Then keep sin x as constant. D by dx of x square. Sir, little lengthy. I'm not able to understand. Don't try to feel anything. Then you feel like, I do remember when I'm in second class or something. Exact thing I don't remember, but some vague thing. Is you like my teacher gave what is 2 plus 5 or something. Then I asked my teacher, why should I add it first? Then she gave some examples. She got a little angry, annoyed, and then then she explained you have 2 apples, 5 apples, some explanation she gave. But it's fine. So you may think like that why should we do integration? Why we will learn later. Okay. Something like when you're learning numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, you hardly think why we are learning it. Just simply you learn, then you know how to apply it. Okay, same thing here also. Just learn how to do it, then we'll apply. X square, differential sin x is cos x plus sin x. Differentiation will be 2x square. This is the answer. Generally, we write like this: x square cos x. Wait, blunder. 2x. N into x by n minus 1 now. N into x by n minus 1. So plus 2x sin x. This is the thing we'll get. Generally, after trigonometric function, we don't keep anything over there because accidentally you may think sine of this value, right? That's right. There is nothing wrong. You can write in that way also. Question number 16. Right. Y is equal to cube root of x multiply with tan x. Or we don't know tan x. What to do? D by dx of the entire function. Now tell me, we don't know tan x, what to do? The same worksheet, if you scroll up, differentiation of tan x is given. Anyone is there who can tell me what is the differentiation of tan x?
Secant square x.
Correct.
Yeah, secant square x. If you know that, good. Right? Do I need to remember? You can ask, no need. And I'll tell you one more thing. Suppose you have some exam in the school, maybe in coaching, whatever coaching center you're going through, there may be an exam. In the exam, they may give 2 secant square x cube root plus 1 plus tan cube theta differentiate. They can give, but I personally feel that it is no way physics problem. It's completely mathematics problem. Okay, right? No, sir, they haven't given like this. They're given like this. Velocity is like this. Calculate acceleration. It looks like what? Physics problem, but in reality, it is not. Okay. So what is my point is that although they gave a touch of physics over there, majority is what, tell me? Mathematics only. So we'll leave it. My target is to not 1 minute. Okay. So my target is not mathematics here, only physics. So take it, no, direct step I write, I don't write in detail. Okay. Cube root of x, I'll take it constant. Differentiation of tan x is secant square x plus. I'll take what? Tan x as it is. Differentiation of cube root of x. Somewhere we might have done this value, no? I duplicate and copy. Khel khatam. Best. Good. 17. E power x cos x. Okay. Y is equal to e power x cos x. D by dx of e power x cos x will be equal to, you see, slowly I'm dropping dy by dx. Maybe I may not write even function, even question also I won't write in future, but still it's okay. Dy by dx. So e power x constant, differentiation of cos x is what? Sin x. No, minus sin x plus cos x multiplied with e power x is e power x only, right? Oh. That is equal to minus e power x sin x plus e power x cos x. So if you want, you can take e power x common, cos x minus sin x. If you want to write 100%, you can write. But what is my point is that this is not the wrong answer. This is correct, absolutely, but same. 18. Now we have a plus based function, x square plus sin x plus 4. Okay. Now dy by dx is equal to d by dx of, again I'm writing in detail, see. Okay. that is equal to. In case of addition, what to do? Very simple, like distributive. Distribute this to u, distribute this to v, the over. Sir, here 3 are there. Distribute to all 3. What's there in it? So it is right. I'm just writing. Check it. D by dx of x square plus d by dx of sin x plus d by dx of 4. That is equal to d by dx of x square is 2x plus sin x is what? Cos x, differentiation of sin x, plus differentiation of 4 is 0. This is the answer. Over. Okay. 19. Y is equal to x square plus sin x plus 4 dy by dx is equal to d by dx of this function is equal to 2x plus
The 18th question wrong, sir. It's the same question 18.
Oh.
18 is supposed to be x square plus 2x plus 4.
I took it wrong. I took 19 and solved as 18, right?
Yes, sir.
Again, I'm taking the same thing. Okay, then I'll copy this. Then 18th one, y is equal to x square plus 2x plus 4. Dy by dx is equal to d by dx of this entire function. That is equal to, directly I'll do it, 2x square is 2x, 2x is 2 plus 0. How? Differentiation of 2x. What to do? 2 is constant, comes out, dx by dx. Just I'll explain here. Most of you know that. Dx by dx is 1, obviously. 5 by 5 is 1, something like that, okay? Except 0 by 0, everything is 1, right? So that you can take, or, sir, I'll do it in a traditional way, x power 1, dharma pandla. N into x power n minus 1, n into x power 0. X power 0 is 1, 1 into 1 is 1. That's it. Okay, right. Let us go for the last one. Not last one. There are 10 more are there. Good. 20. Y is equal to tan x plus secant x. D by dx of y is equal to, I won't write this directly. Differentiation of tan x is secant square x plus secant x. My God. What is the differentiation of secant x? Then leave it like this. Even I don't know. Leave it. Means what? If at all any question comes, which is secant x or sin x? Secant x only. Good. Yeah. If at all any function comes, which you are not able to solve, simply leave it. Sir, leave panna kudada. See, our target is not differentiation here. Learn little bit of differentiation, then apply this to physics. Once you learn how to apply perfectly in physics, okay, then, sir, by chance, if this is given an exam, don't worry. When you are writing exam, +2 will be completed now. Maths lab, when compared this, much more complex problems you will solve. Don't worry. Okay. So don't hesitate to leave if the function is not in your arsenal. List of formula that you mugged up. Even tan x also you can discard. No problem. Okay. Right. 21. From this, a little bit focus. X power 3 whole square. Dy by dx is equal to d by dx of x plus 3 whole square, right? How to deal with it? We can do one thing. A plus B whole square formula. D by dx of A square plus 2 into A into B plus B square. Right. Now differentiate. It will be x square will be 2x. Differentiation of 6x is 6. Differentiation is 0. Good. We can stop it here. But wait. Will it work out in every case? Sir, why not? Okay, fine. Let us go for 22. That is y is equal to x plus 3 whole cube. Okay. No, sir. Now it becomes a little difficult. No problem, sir. Binomial expansion is there. Binomial expansion is there. Yes, it's there. Let us solve it. Dy by dx is equal to d by dx of whole cube. I'll use binomial expansion. Okay. That is binomial expansion says x cube plus 3 into x square into 3. So 9x square plus 3 into x into 3 square. 27x plus 3 cube. 27. Okay, fine. Little lengthy, but still we can do it. 3x square plus 18x plus 27. Let us drop this plus 0. Okay, fine. So right now, 23. Check it. Power 6. Oh, it becomes very lengthy, but still with patience you can do it. What about 24? Square root of. Sir, square root expansion point of the custom, sir. Yeah, but still binomial expansion is there. Okay. Somehow by real hard work you did it. What about 25? Power minus 3. Yeah. Sir, I'll take 1 by 5x minus 2 whole cube, then I'll expand. Okay, can you differentiate that thing? Think about it. Little tough. If you feel that I can differentiate all these things, okay. Sir, power 2, power 3, power anything I can do because I know binomial theorem. Then what about sin x whole square? You can't, isn't it? So you need to learn a method. We call it as chain rule. What is chain rule? dy by dx. dy by dx at any time can be written as dy by du into du by dx. You can take u, k, t, whatever variable you want to take. Sir, purile sir. Okay. What we do is that we take an intermediate function so that it will be easy. So what I do is that I'll take this 21st form equation problem once again. Y is equal to x plus 3 whole square. Okay. Right. Now what I do is that I define an intermediate function u is equal to x plus 3. I'll define an intermediate function. Then I can write like this. Y at any time is u square. Y at any time can be defined as what? Tell me. U square. Right. Now observe. If I want dy by dx, first of all calculate dy by du. I'll calculate dy by du is equal to d by du of u square. We already solved. Instead of x, we have u, that's it, right? So it will be n into x power n minus 1, 2u. First part done. Then du by dx. So du by dx is equal to d by dx of what is x value? X plus 3. That's it. Yeah. That is equal to differentiation of x is 1, differentiation of t is 0. Oh, 1 plus 0. Good. Now, how to deal with it? If you want dy by dx, take product of these two. So dy by dx. I solved as a two parts. Soon after a little bit of practice, you will start as a single set. Product of this plus this. Product is what? 2u plus plus L into. Here into is there, no? So into 1 is equal to what? Tell me 2u. But remember, u is intermediate function that we defined. Examiner doesn't know. So put back the original value. That will be x plus 3. So if you expand 2x plus 6, check it, same. So I solved 21 once again. Same way I'll solve 22 also. I have a small doubt, 1 minute. Let us test that thing. So the point you need to understand is that dy by dx can be written as dy by du multiplied with du by dx. Some teachers will take z, some teachers will take t, whatever you want, you take it. You don't mind. Okay, variable doesn't matter. Now, first of all, what I'll do is that I defined u. U is equal to x plus 3. So y will be what? Tell me? X cube. So dy by dx. Directly I'm writing, I'm not writing like two segments on the madri. dy by du. dy by du. Mistake I did. X cube illa. U cube. Right? Correct. U cube. So, okay, I write in detail. dy by du. That is equal to d by du of y value is what? Tell me? U cube. So n into x power n minus 1. Part 1 done. Now du by dx. So d by dx of what is u? X plus 3. X plus 3. Differentiation of x plus 3 will be 1 plus 0. Plus 0, no need to write 1. Now dy by dx is product of these two. 3u square multiply with 1. 3u square. But u is intermediately defined for your purpose, but in reality it is not there. So I can say like this: 3 into x plus 3 whole square. Yeah, correct. But how can we say both are equal? Yeah, they are equal. I can do one thing. I can take 3 common. It will be x square plus 6x plus 3. No. 9. Check it. So you can check it. 3 into x square plus 6x plus 9 is what? Tell me. X plus 3 whole square. Check it. Exactly same answer. Right. Now you will understand the power of this method when you go for the next one. Y is equal to 3x plus 5 whole power 6. Binomial expansion kills your time. Dy by dx is equal to, I'll take u is equal to 3x plus 5. I'll stop writing in detail. Quickly I'll solve it. First of all, dy by du. D by, no, I directly write. I don't write detail. This entire thing is u. So 6 into 3x plus 5 whole power 5 multiply with u. Differentiation of u is what? 3. Stop it here, or if you want to write it, you can write detail. 18 into 3x plus 5 whole power 5. Correct? Perfect. 24. Now y is equal to square root of 2x plus 5x square. Okay. Right. Now dy by dx. I saw students, they'll make a circle like this. Sir, I asked, I do remember. in 2012. One student is there, I won't tell his name. I asked why you are making a circle. Sir, once I make a circle, I feel it's a constant. It's constant. Entire thing is a function. Function. Entire thing is a some variable something. Now, it is, if I take this entire thing as x, root x will be. So still remember, square root of x, you can solve it like this. You can write x power 1 by 2, differentiate n into x power 1 by 2 minus 1. That is equal to what, tell me? 1 by 2 into x power minus 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 root x. But if you can mug up these kind of things, because square root of x is one thing which comes a bit more frequently or easy to remember. If you can remember, good, or else you can still solve it. You can solve it. So he says that I'll treat this entire thing as x. Now it's root x for me. So root x is 1 by 2 root x. Done. Now multiply, and I'll focus on only on this x. I ignore that remaining part. So 2x plus 5x square. Differentiation of 2x is 2. 5x square is 5 into 2x is what? 10x. Answer. And you may feel, sir, can I? No. After completing this in mathematics, differentiation is complete, you will do like this only. With ease, you will do. If you can do it right now, good. Practice a little bit. There's the answer over, nothing else. Right. 25. Y is equal to 5x minus 2 whole power minus 3. So direct step, I write dy by dx. This entire thing as x, I'll take x power minus 3. X power minus 3 is equal to n into x. Right now x is 5x minus 2, right? N into x power n minus 1, right? It will become minus 4. Multiply with what is there inside the function you need to take. 5x minus 2 is differentiation is 5x differentiation is 5. Minus 2 is minus 2. Stop it there. Or if you want, write down minus 15 into 5x minus 2 whole power minus 4. Sir, shall we stop it here, or we need to write minus 15 by 5x minus 2 whole power 4? And there is no, first thing you need to understand, this and this are not different. Point number 1. They're same. Second point is whether this is the answer or this is the answer depends on if this question is given exam, A, B, C, D option. Okay. Of course, they won't give this question exam, no doubt, but so stop it there, no issues. Yeah. Continue, 26. 26. Y is equal to sine square x. I don't think anyone has this problem, but I'm telling you, actually sine square x is nothing but sine x whole cube. Sir, if sine x whole cube it is, why don't they write sine x cube like this? So you may feel that it is sine of x cube. Do you understand? Sine of x cube, where sine x whole cube, where, right or wrong? Sine of x cube, where sine x whole cube, where. To avoid the trouble, we will write like this: sine of x cube as sine cube x. Okay. Suppose if it is sine of x cube, this we will write like this. So the small thing about trigonometry, mathematics, that is equal to, first of all, what I do, I take this thing as a thing. X cube, differentiation of x cube is what? 3 x square multiplied with difference sin x is cos x. Answer. Differentiation sin x is cos x. That's it.
Sir?
Yep.
I took it like sine square x by sine x.
I did a mistake. I don't know why I made it to what? 3. I don't know. Sine square I took. I made it 3. I don't know why I made 3. So silly mistake continues. It will be sin x n into x power n minus 1. So it will be like 2 sin x cos x. Yes, correct. I think you got same answer, right?
Yes, sir.
That's correct.
Sir, can you like 1 second show 25th the procedure to solve?
Procedure you want means like detail, like this one.
No, sir. Like the solution.
25th, this one only, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. 27, solve it. Question number 27. Y is equal to e power 2x. How to deal with it? E power 2x. I will do it in a detailed way. Why, sir? Summa, I don't know why my brain says do it in it. So dy by dx can be written as dy by du into du by dx. Good. I need to define u. U is 2x. Good. Then the function y will be equal to e power u. So two parts are there, first part and second part. I'll go for first part. Dy by du is equal to d by du of e power u. Sir, it is y na? Yes. When it is y, why you are writing e power u? Why don't you write e power 2x? But we are differentiating with function u na? That's why u is easy to deal. E power u is e power u only. Good. Next. First part over. What about second part? Second part is du by dx. That is equal to d by dx of what is u? U is equal to 2x. Differentiation of 2x is 2. Yes, 2. Done. Two parts are done. Now it's a matter of multiplying those two. So dy by dx is equal to 2 into e power u. But remember, u is intermediately defined function for your purpose. Examiner doesn't know. So replace the u value over there. It will be what, tell me? E power 2x. Good. Good. 28. Y is equal to sin kx. I'll give a little bit of time. Try to copy or solve. Now, my brain says that use in a shortest possible way maximum. So what I do is that I'll make a circle. My student's method I told you, na? Circle. Now, this entire thing he'll treat as x. Differentiation of sin x. So dy by dx is equal to differentiation of sin x is cos x. Cos kx. Good. Multiply with whatever is the function. Differentiation of kx is what? K. So that is equal to k cos kx. Answer. 29. Solve. Explain this. Question number 29. Y is equal to cos x square. That is equal to dy by dx. What I do is I'll take this entire thing as single function. So differentiation of cos x is what? Minus sin x. Sir, why you are saying minus sin x and you're writing x square? No, actually, whatever inside is x for me for time being. Multiply with whatever inside I have to differentiate. Differentiation of x square is 2x. That is equal to minus 2x sin x square. Right? That's the answer. 29. 30. Give your answer. Now this one I'll do it in detail. I'll take it as what, tell me? Intermediate function u is equal to sin x. U is equal to what, tell me? Sin x. So y can be written as e power u. Now, first of all, I'll calculate dy by du is equal to d by du of my u somewhat sometimes looks like x. That's a danger. D by du of what? E power u. E power u is e power u only. Good. Next thing. Du by dx is equal to d by dx of what is u value? Sin x. Differential sin x is cos x. So now you have to multiply those two. So dy by dx is equal to e power u multiplied with cos x. But wait a minute, u is intermediately defined function by us. Change it. So it will be cos x multiplied with e power sin x. This is the answer. Good. Those who gave answer, and you need to get this. Next class, I'm not going to discuss how to integrate, so how to differentiate. I'll explain how to use it in what? Physics. Okay, that's more important. That's all. Thank you.